Our warden has been very supportive throughout because even she is going through the same issues that we are. But the chief warden is very uncooperative, and also like everyone in power, they are asking us to adjust for a while.
Compromise.
And they are like compromise, adjust कर लो थोड़ा time के लिए हो जाएगा. But
Even the women securities are asking us to compromise.
पीने का पानी भी नहीं आ रहा. हम बाल्टी भर भर के ऊपर तक कैसे ले जाएंगे? लेकिन it's not happening.
पीने का पानी कहाँ से अरेंज करें हम लोग?
We cannot keep ordering food every now and then. बाहर से स्टूडेंट्स है, पैसे नहीं होते और पेट भी खराब हो जाएगा. People have fallen sick because घर का खाना ठीक से मिलता नहीं ऑब्वियसली, और हॉस्टल का खाना तो खाने लायक नहीं है. उन्होंने घटिया पानी से हमें खाना बना के खिलाया हुआ है.
लड़कियां बीमार पड़ी हुई है, फीवर में पड़ी हुई है, इनकी तबीयत खराब हो गई है गंदा पानी.
बहुत लोगों को वॉमिटिंग, पेट दर्द, गला खराब सबका हो रहा है.
कितने लोग हैं आप?
ऑल टुगेदर पूरे हॉस्टल में 200 गर्ल्स है वहाँ पे.
की डिमांड क्या है?
डिमांड ये कि प्रोवाइड हमें प्रॉपर चाहिए वाटर, गुड फूड, क्लीन फूड एक्चुअली, बिकॉज वो खाना खा के हर कोई बीमार पड़ सकता है. और अभी ट्रस्ट इश्यूज हो गए बिकॉज एक बार उन्होंने वैसा खाना बना दिया. हम बार बार भी खाना खाएंगे भी वहाँ पे. हॉस्टल का खाना इज कंपलसरी, क्योंकि हम बाहर से खाना मंगवा नहीं सकते.
alternatives for this situation.
And we want temporary stay where we could stay, and we don't have issues for carrying the buckets to our room, to
We
our
have come here to study, we are not here to fill buckets
Exactly.
every day.
Actually,
हम कॉलेज आज नहीं जा पाए बिकॉज हमने नहाया नहीं है ठीक से. पानी नहीं आया तो कहाँ से
haven't
लाएंगे?
brushed our
कपड़े
teeth
धोने के
also.
लिए भी पानी नहीं
we
बचा.
haven't even had our breakfast yet. We are here since morning. And we haven't brushed our teeth. So
There is
basically,
no water to brush teeth also.
We met the VC said, and he said that it is their fault. The borewell is completely collapsed. But the request was made since 12th of March to clean the tanks, and they did not do it. They're accepting that it is their fault, but they haven't given us a time when they will fix this entire issue. And we're women, they did not let us speak. They just kept on asking us to listen to them. So in a 20-25 minute conversation, it was 5 minutes that we spoke about our issues. 20 minutes they were just explaining what is wrong.
and we asked them to give us the temporary basis. We asked the VC to give us the international guest access. So he said we can't allow you to stay there, but you can use washroom, whatever you need, you can use the water. But it's not possible. We have curfew till 7. We can't go after 7 out to anywhere. So will they allow us to use washroom if we need to go to after 12 a.m. or the midnight? Will they allow us to use? So we asked them to give us temporary stay, but they're not allowing. VC said no.
So अभी आप क्या करेंगे?
Abhi, we have the tanker. We've asked for a tanker that will stay 24/7 in the hostel as an alternative. So if in the next 2 days they're not helping us to fill the tanker in the tanker water in the tanks, after 2 days we'll approach them again because we don't have anywhere else to go. They don't understand that we don't have houses. Not all of us have houses. That's the only place we are staying. That's our home, and they're destroying it for us. We have infections all over our bodies. We are sick. There is no safety whatsoever when it comes to be it insects, water, food, anything. So our roti kapda makan, it is jeopardized. And we are hostel students. We demand this. We are paying the fees.